Eggs make me sick. By Mo Williams. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. And what about a swimmer hat? True. Are you okay? I don't not know true. I can't stop sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sick? Achoo. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs make me sick, then I can't never be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be against forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Shoot. Goodbye, Gerald. What? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sick, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo. Great, now cats make me sick too. I do not think pigs make you sick. I do not think cats make you sick. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy. Great news. I have a cold. Good for you. That was the end of the book. If you want to see more, go check out my other book videos.